guys? It's Joe Burgess. Welcome to my channel. We're just going to be taking a ride to my work today. Going to be going the Auto Mile. This road here has dealerships that usually stretch out for a long period, a few miles. Yeah, there's all kinds of dealerships on this road. But like I said, I'm not going to give you the whole route to the route to my work. I'm just going to give you a little bit of a halfway point, so that way you guys get an idea. You guys get an idea of the Auto Mile, because it's pretty interesting. I figured I'd give you guys a little tour on it and show you. I have it in one of my private videos. But I didn't actually put it up there. I wasn't really ready to put it up there, so I actually figured I'd do it myself. So, yeah, this is it, guys. First one you come up on, you get Lexus over here, and as you go up the road, you end up with many more. We're gonna eventually come up to, like, they have a Ferrari, Lamborghini dealership up that way as well. So I'd like to show you guys that too. That's kind of in the middle of this road. So let me coming up to a light here. So stop. So yeah, there's gonna be a lot more than dealerships on this road here, but mostly the stuff is gonna be dealerships, car dealerships. So a lot of people work on this road as far as techs in a lot of these dealerships. So I'm just off the road, but I use it every day to go to work. So like I said, I'm not going to give you the whole full boring route of my work. I'm just going to give you half of it. And it's probably going to be, I don't know, it might be up to 15 minutes, not too sure. But yeah, we'll see what we got here. Yeah, there's probably about 6 or 7 lights anyways on the route to on this road. So here we go. Finally. So yep, many stores too, but for the most part, we're gonna see a lot of dealerships. So let's get some of them in there. Some of these are independent dealerships. Some of them are like just regular ones. But yeah, there's gotta be a lot of them as you come up. I'm not gonna go all the way up because we turn off a few miles before the Auto Mile ends. So we're not gonna go all the way up because it's kind of a long drive, and it'll make the video longer. So this is kind of a video to show you guys everything. So let me see here. Yeah, hopefully we don't hit any more lights. I'm hoping so. So yeah, well, we made that one. Cool. There used to be an Acura dealership over this side here. I don't know what I think. Actually, no, they changed it to an urgent care. So no more Acura. They actually moved that to the end of the Auto Mile. And if you go the opposite direction, you go further down, there's even more dealerships. The last one you come to is there's 2 Ford dealerships on this route here. So the second one you get is actually at the end of the Auto Mile, and that's the very end. So we're going. That's one of the dealerships I used to work at long ago. But for the most part, we're gonna be going by one of them. But the other one I used to work as in the opposite direction, because this is all you know, long. It's a long road. So, but bear with me, guys. You know, like I said, it's gonna be a little bit of a long video because, like I said, it's a pretty good drive. But like I said, I want to show you guys everything, just for fun. So, come down, up, get another light. Alright, so, oh, it's changing now. There we go. Okay, so, alright, so we're gonna be in a few minutes. We're gonna be hitting where the dealerships are really coming up. You see a few at first. The Lexus dealership, that's the first one. The CarMax over here, and then you end up with Volkswagen, and then I'm gonna be pointing the camera the other way. We're gonna be hitting another light, so come up on that. So we're gonna be hitting Block New Deal, which is an independent little dealership. So he used to be an Oldsmobile dealer way back when Oldsmobile was in business. But yeah, now it's all independent one. So you got over there. But he's got a good selection there. And then go the other direction here. And there's a few car repair shops as well on this road. You got Lincoln over here. You got Volvo. And got a few stores. There's a few stores around. Trying to not to get too many license plates in the video either, because that's the problem I had the last time. It's kind of why I had to keep it private, because there was so many license plates in the video, and you know, and I wanted to actually keep them out of here, so I had to blur them out. Some of them I actually couldn't blur out, so I ended up just keeping the video private, like I said, excuse me. So, and the funny thing is, there's a cool vanity plate in front of me. I can't even show it to you. So, but pretty soon after this set of lights here, we're gonna see the Ferrari Lamborghini dealership. It's gonna be coming up on my left. I'm gonna probably end up having a nice shot of it in there for you. So I'm gonna get that in there pretty good. And in the other video, it was in there, but it was on the opposite direction, and Eric was filming for me that day. But it was a little tough for him to get the camera in there to actually show it to you. So it's on my side this time. So I'm gonna be able to get in there for you a little better. So let me do that. Alright, we're going to end up with a few more up here as well. We got BMW, and we have Mazda right up in here. Car repair shop over here, but that's a couple more in there. Infiniti, Clay Subaru, that's another one. And Jackman Ford, it's over here. That's a pretty cool one. And after that, we got they're actually working on Cadillac. They're working on a Jaguar Land Rover dealership coming up on my left after we go into this bend. It's been there a while, but they figured they'd remodel it, so that's what they're doing right now. They're going to remodel it for the most part. I'll see if I can get a shot in there for you guys. And the Nissan dealership too, that's next to them both. Let's see, can I get that in there? I can. Okay, now guys, here it is. Now we got Buck, Maserati, Lamborghini, and Ferrari. Here we go. That's that dealership right there. Then you just got a few other ones on the left-hand side. Same guy pretty much owns almost all these dealerships up here. We got an independent shop over here for repairing cars. There, I have a shot. Honda dealership and Toyota dealership. And when you enter the Auto Mile, this is actually what you see when you enter the Auto Mile. Right here, we're actually going the opposite direction. So, all right, guys. Well, this is actually the halfway point of my route to work and on the Auto Mile, and I figured I'd share with you guys. But like I said, if I put the whole thing in there, it would have been a very, very, very long video. Like it's a long ride to work. So, so I figured I'd kind of like give you a halfway point of it and show you guys what the Auto Mile looks like, because I have it on my private videos, and it really couldn't show you the entirety because it'd be like all the way up, all the way down. So, and it would have been super long. It would have been probably super boring as well. So I want to get one in there so you guys could see it. But yeah, if we were to keep going, you go all the way up there. You got a few more. So, but anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Hope it wasn't super boring. I'm gonna plan on making a few like this kind of in the future as well. I got some more up and coming stuff for you guys, and hopefully pretty soon. So, all right, guys, you guys have a nice night, and hope you guys enjoyed this.